In today's video, we are going to show you how to run depreciation in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And inside of the dashboard, I want you to hover on the top menu, click Accounting, and scroll down until you find the Fixed Assets. This is where all your asset items are stored, like equipment, vehicles, computers, and furnitures. Now, before running depreciation, make sure your assets are registered status. Because if they're still in draft, you'll need to register them first. Now, I want you to click the Run Depreciation on the top corner. Now choose the depreciation date, for example, end of the month, like maybe January 1st to January 30th or 31st, or maybe April 30th. It's up to you. Okay? Now, Xero will automatically calculate depreciation based on each asset's settings. Once completed, Xero creates an automatic depreciation journal. And basically, that's how you run depreciation in Xero: quick, simple, and fully automated. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.